Everyone knows about the periodic table in chemistry, but do you know that there is an Indian connection to the formation of periodic table? Let me explain. The periodic table as we know it is said to be discovered by the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev. Now Dmitry understood that periodicity was a fundamental law which governed the nature of all elements and created a theoretical structure to represent the elements in the universe. He left empty slots for the undiscovered elements. The periodic table was thus a robust table known as the grammar of chemistry. But what inspired Dmitry Mendeleev to come up with this table? Mendeleev was a close friend of Otto von Bottling, an Indologist and philologist in St. Petersburg. It is through Bottling that Mendeleev was exposed to Panini's Ashtadhyayi. Panini was a Sanskrit grammarian who is labeled as the father of linguistics, and he wrote the Ashtadhyayi, which was in Sanskrit. Now Sanskrit not only provided grammar for human language, but also the philosophy of the integrally unified order in the universe. Panini's grammar served as a structure which could be mapped to other domains, including chemistry. Sanskrit grammar provides rules for assembling the fundamental elements of language, such as words, roots, prefixes, and suffixes, enabling the construction of grammatically correct words and sentences, just like chemistry, which has been a quest for discovering the elements as building blocks. So one of the things here was that Mendeleev got this philosophical insight into the integral unity of nature and thus applied Sanskrit grammar to the structure of elements in nature. This led to Mendeleev's system by which he could generate all possible compounds made from element combinations and yet leave the wrong combination of elements. And this is how, my friends, the periodic table came into existence. If you liked it, share it.